Pope Francis has appointed a special delegate to the Order of Malta, a lay religious order dating from the 12th century. EWTN News Rome correspondent Colm Flynn sat down with Archbishop Silvano Tomasi to speak about his new role.
Before the contradictory developments,
Archbishop Silvano Tomasi has just been appointed by Pope Francis as a special delegate to the Order of Malta, representing Pope Francis in the 900-year-old institution.
My service to the Order of Malta is of being the voice of the Pope to the Order.
Archbishop Tomasi is replacing Cardinal Angelo Becciu at a time when the Order is appointing new leadership and changing its constitution. Some people are worried that with the change to the constitution, it might lessen the role of religious in the running of the Order of Malta. What do you say to those concerns?
Like any old institutions, there is a need of aggiornamento, a need of updating and becoming more sensitive to the circumstances of today and responding with more efficiency. So the effort that needs to be made is to keep a balance, to open the door to change, but without losing the values that have given strength and make the order effective in the past.
Archbishop Tomasi is set to become a cardinal on November the 28th, an honorary title given to him for his many years of service to the Church in Africa and as permanent observer of the Holy See to the United Nations. In your 13 years working at the United Nations in Geneva, was that a challenge to be representing the Church and her teachings when often it would conflict with the teachings and policies and advice of the United Nations? Was that a great challenge for you?
Yes, to be very short. My task was to explain in a way that was reasonable the position of the Holy See. The Holy See defends values that in the long run are considered good for the whole human family, independent of specific religious belief.
Your Excellency, it's been a pleasure talking to you, and thank you so much for your time, and good luck in your new roles.
Thank you very much, and God willing, it will be another chapter in a long life.
And a good chapter at that. In Rome, Colm Flynn, EWTN News Nightly.